we are back. We are installing a new transfer case brace. It is that part number right there, 129 blah blah blah. You should get the right one because I got the wrong one last time. So it is a nice PPE brace. Pretty excited about it. Here she is. Here's the instructions. And yeah, looks pretty good. So we're going to be moving some bolts and putting this back in, and hopefully it's not too bad. I've heard it's either an hour job or 30 minutes, so hopefully it's 30 minutes. And hopefully I can use my ratchet. And I don't, because most people are using like almost over 2 feet of extensions to get these two front ones, and I'm hoping maybe my ratchet will be able to get them off, and these ones shouldn't be, the back ones shouldn't be too bad. So wish me luck. Let's do this. So it's been an hour, a little over an hour, pretty much done. And I'm going to show you what I use. So I have a 15 millimeter. So the driver's side's the most suckiest part, and then once you get that brace on, it's a really tight fit. So I used the 15 millimeter wrench and got it. So, but yeah, I used my ratchet, which you can just use one of these, which is with some extensions, just kind of helps a little bit. And then 10 millimeter and a 15 millimeter, and that's pretty much it. Everything I used right here is all you'll need. And then a torque wrench. So all I'm gonna do is get that tightened up, torque it down, and we'll go check it and see how she rides now, or how it feels. All right, you guys, so here is the most annoying part, is the driver's side. So there it is right there, the shiny part, metal thing or whatever. But anyways, the worst part is just trying to get those bolts in right here. There's just 2 of them, and there's some hoses and wires and everything. And then once you get that brace in, there's already a little bit of room to get them, but now that you have that brace, it just adds more stuff in the way. So yeah, so a wobble comes in, and you just kind of go from back here. Kind of hard to see, but yeah. So if you had maybe one of these longer ones and maybe another medium one and then a short one, you could easily get, and a wobble, you're good to go. So I just didn't have another extension piece, and yeah, other than that, you're golden. Hey everyone, I'm back. I know I have a really bad leak right there. I need to fix, but so the PPE transfer case brace is on, and I can tell you that you could just tell there's a difference, like kind of like, especially too when I was like hitting bumps or like just getting and going, it literally just feels stiffer, like, and in a good way. And it's not like, yeah, it just, you just have to do it. I mean, to me it's worth it. Some people would say it's not, but peace of mind and everything like that, yeah, it helps. The hardest part is just the driver's side, and once you can do that and just get your extensions, if you have a lift, oh, makes a world of difference. But definitely a good thing to have. I'll put down the link below to grab one, but sorry, I'm trying to do this one arm. But yeah, thanks for watching.